What's going on YouTube? My name is Robert. In this video, I'm going to share with you the most underrated passive income opportunity of 2019. So guys, this is all my opinion. I just want to share with you guys something that I think should be said more. I see a lot of videos on YouTube talking about how to make passive income online. And one of the most underrated, stable ways to generate passive income is right here. And I'm going to break it down in this video. So stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoy. So many of you know I talk about Airbnb. I'm an Airbnb host. I've been hosting since August 2018. It's almost been a year and I have had massive success with this opportunity. So I've made videos on my channel talking about this and they've done rather well, and I've grown a community based around the Airbnb space. One thing I want to share with you is home sharing platforms like Airbnb, HomeAway, and Booking.com. These are just to name a few. This is something that is often overlooked for everyone talking about how to make income online, how to make passive income for free, all this stuff. You see these videos all the time. They do really well. They get millions of views, which is uncommon for the education category on YouTube. Most of these videos, in this niche, in the education niche, they don't tend to go viral like this, but these passive income videos do. And I want to say that the reason they do is because most people are obsessed with the idea of making money while they sleep. So like any passive income opportunity, you set up a system and you let it work for you. Now, I don't typically stay hands-off with my Airbnb rental. I do this because it doesn't cut into my profit margins as much and I'm able to do it and I enjoy it. It's really easy, it's really laid back. Any of you guys who are looking to add to your income streams or maybe looking to quit your job and start an opportunity full-time, this is something to consider. The opportunity that is very underrated is hosting on Airbnb and other similar websites. You list a property, somebody books, and you generate income that way. You can be hands-on with it and you can be hands-off with it. Everything is able to be outsourced. That's the best part about this business model. So I know with other business models, you have to be on top of it. You kind of have to give it your time of day. And even day trading, you have to be there and you're giving it your time of day. You have to be there present with the charts. You have to be there present running ads on your Shopify store, etc. You guys get the point. This is truly a business model where you don't have to be there at all. Maybe you occasionally have to message the guest, but if you have a really good system set up in place, you don't have to be there. So once you have your system set up, like any passive income opportunity, you just sit there and you start collecting money. So guys, the reason that I'm making this video right now is because the entire month of June I spent in Phoenix, Arizona. I was gone literally 3 weeks out of the month. The entire month I spent helping my good friend set up his Airbnb property in Phoenix. So I was there, I was helping him out, we were optimizing it, we were doing little things here and there. I was just helping him with the whole entire process because he actually bought the house. A different approach than what I use. I use the rental arbitrage method, but he purchased the home. And that has its perks, that has its benefits, and he's crushing it already. He's so excited. He sent me screenshots of his bookings and they are through the roof, just like I imagined. His nightly rate is triple my nightly rate. That's just because of his location. While I was gone, I was able to generate between two home sharing websites, $3,290. I'm gonna break this down for you guys in a minute on my multi-calendar just so you guys can see what I'm talking about here. Just to sum it up, we had a really solid month, and the best part about it is that I wasn't actually present. My business was operating, generating me cash flow while I was away. The best thing about this is that everything that I'm able to do when I'm in town, I can outsource when I'm out of town. To sum up passive income, you do the work and then you reap the rewards later. So that is exactly what I've done here, and I'm gonna break down my numbers with you guys, like I said, just so you guys see what I'm talking about here. Between a few bookings, right, I've optimized my listing to the point where a few guests fills up the entire calendar. A few of the things that I did outsource was the cleaning, the mowing, and the managing I did myself. I remember I was hiking down Camelback Mountain in Phoenix and I was messaging the guests. That was a great moment of realization for me to just kind of sit there and take it in. I was hiking a beautiful mountain on a gorgeous day in a sunny sky, and I was messaging my guests, managing my business remotely, managing my business from the side of a mountain. Literally, I was hiking the mountain. Guys, it doesn't really get better than that. This could be done from anywhere in the world, really, if you have a great system set up. And that's what passive income is. You just have to have that really solid system set up. I'm gonna break down my month for you guys, and you guys just go have a quick glimpse at what I'm talking about here, making money while not actually being present. Okay guys, what you're looking at here is my hosting dashboard for the entire month of June. I was able to generate $2,931.27. This is money my business generated while I was gone, while I was away for 3 weeks. And I want to show you guys really quick, my occupancy rate was 96%. Any host out there that watches this, you guys know that's a really good occupancy rate. That's just really good business in general. I mean, that's almost a full 100% occupancy month. And I just want to make this very clear that I was able to do this without actually being present. All right, guys, here is the multi-calendar just so you guys can see that I'm not making this up. Between HomeAway and Airbnb, we were able to generate $3,290. We had a $359 booking from HomeAway, as you guys can remember from my day in life video. That was the beginning of the month. In this video, I'm actually going to share with you guys a clip of my first time skydiving. This is something that I've wanted to do for such a long time, and passive income has provided that opportunity for me to actually be somewhere and do something that I really enjoy and have wanted to do for a long time while making money. Just a little recap on this day. It was the 21st. It was my first YouTube paycheck as well. It was a great day. I was sitting there. Everything was going really well, and I was skydiving, doing something that I've always wanted to do, and I was able to do it because I don't have an employer. I don't have anywhere I need to be on any given day, and I can do what I want the second I wake up. These things are the things that keep me here and keep me working at this. Well guys, there's no other way I'd rather be spending my Friday morning. I wake up at 4 a.m. to get out here and experience skydiving. Something I've wanted to do forever. This is our first time ever skydiving. We might die. Serge, how do you feel? How do you feel?
Dude, I'm tired right now, but I think I'm ready for it.
There's the old plane.
All right, man. What's up? If you get on facing that way, man, I hope you're a good tip.
Are you ready for this, dude?
Dude, she did it.
She did it.
Wow, good for you, Alyssa.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers. I want to thank you guys all for the support you've given me on this channel. And once again guys, one of the most underrated passive income opportunities of 2019 is being an Airbnb host or being a short-term rental host. You can be hands-on with it and you can be hands-off with it. Everything is able to be outsourced. That's the best part about this business model. So I know with other business models, like you have to be on top of it. You kind of have to give it your time of day. And even day trading, I know I've mentioned day trading in the past, you have to be there and you're giving it your time of day. You have to be there present with the charts. You have to be there present running ads on your Shopify store, etc. You guys get the point. This is truly a business model where you don't have to be there at all. Maybe you occasionally have to message the guest, but if you have a really good system set up in place, you don't have to be there. And that's the definition of passive income for me, right? Generating income without putting in the man hours. So essentially what I did, I put in the man hours at the beginning, for this entire time I've been learning, I've been optimizing. I've been learning, I've been optimizing, and I've been figuring out ways to manage the business like the most hands-off method as possible. And I was able to obviously take a month off and do things that I wanted to do and make money while doing it. So guys, that's the main point. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.